This Christmas, we're really excited to make a warm, healthy meal built around ratatouille and black bean meatballs. There's something about the mix of colorful vegetables and hearty, plant-based flavors that just feels comforting without being heavy, which is a nice balance during the holidays. It's wonderful how ratatouille fills the kitchen with that gentle, cozy aroma of herbs and simmering veggies. It instantly makes the house feel festive. And the black bean meatballs add the satisfying richness that keeps the meal feeling special, a comforting, rustic holiday feast with a modern twist. It's the kind of dish that invites people to slow down, scoop a little bit of everything onto their plate, and enjoy a warm moment together. It's a simple way to bring comfort, color, and a bit of healthy cheer to the Christmas table. Follow Country Life Foods for more.